Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to set up and use Wi-Fi hotspot on Vivo. If you're using a Vivo phone and now you want to use Wi-Fi hotspot, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to scroll down your control center and here you have to look for hotspot. Just keep a long press on it and then it will be open in your phone settings. But if you won't get it here, you just have to open your phone settings. In phone settings you have to look for Wi-Fi hotspot. Just have on more connections and here you will easily get hotspot. But if you won't get it here, you just have to go for main settings and then search for hotspot. Just search for it and then it will open in your phone settings. You just have to tap on it to enable it, and after that just select it again, and here you will get your phone's name, password, etc. You just have to select it if you want to edit your phone's name, and then you can easily edit your password. And that's how you can easily set up and use Wi-Fi hotspot on your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.